What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Data Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. I got an unboxing. This is my last Yeezy. I think it's important. My last Yeezy Day unboxing. First, I need to give you all a word from my sponsor, our sponsor, and this is Haley's phone, and I don't ever remember. Right? Don't say it out loud.
Well, no, I was just gonna say the day that it is.
Here we go. All right. We're going back here, and we're going back hopefully to at least a story that most of us probably know. Genesis 7:1. Do you know what story might be in Genesis 7:1, Haley?
God making the earth.
That's Genesis 1.
Oh, 7:1.
7.
God making the people. Oh no, Cain and Abel.
You're getting closer because all of that was in Genesis 1, but
Cain and Abel was in Genesis 1?
Maybe.
Well, then I have no idea it was in Genesis 7.
Noah's Ark.
That was actually gonna be my next guy. I promise I'm not joking.
So this is Genesis 7:1. Then the Lord said to Noah, "Come into the ark, you and all your household, because I have seen that you are righteous before me in this generation." And I've heard, most people hear stories of Noah's Ark. I grew up with it being read to me at bedtime in a picture book, so it's very familiar to me. But like I said, it's really familiar to a lot of people, and it's also something that I can kind of understand the reason why a lot of people think it's a controversial thing, because it's like, really, every animal 2 by 2, like, how did that happen? And if you're a believer that God parted the Red Sea in Exodus, then I feel like it's not hard to believe that the animals got on the boat. But then there's also like they were on the boat, then like how do you feed them? Maybe it was only 30 days, they didn't need to eat much because they're going to last 30 days. But how do you deal with their waste? Animals fighting, like,
just throw it in the water. Not the animals, just the waste, not the fighting.
That's a lot of waste, though. Like, he only had his family to go dig the stuff up and throw it in the water. Anyways, none of that even really matters with regards to this particular topic that I want to talk about. And it's that if you also read the Bible about it, though, and read it specifically, it talks a whole lot about like the details about how it was made, how long it was supposed to be, what kind of wood. There's all these details, and one of the details is there's pretty much like no windows. When you're in the boat, you can't really see out. What that also means is when you're in the boat, you can't fall out.
Right.
So God chose to save Noah's family. He said he was righteous. They were righteous. And what the ark actually can also be, or is a type of Jesus.
A type of a Jesus.
A type of Jesus. It was like foreshadowing the Savior Jesus coming later. And when we are in Jesus' righteousness, even though we are not righteous ourselves, when we're in Jesus' righteousness, there can be all this stuff happening around us in the world, and it doesn't have to really impact us because we don't have these windows to see out.
Right.
Because all we need to do is abide in his love. Also, if there's a whole lot of stuff going on outside, like the waves are smashing, there's just all this stuff going on in life, inevitably we're going to fail, right, Haley?
Right.
We're going to fail, and we're going to mess something up. And in the story, it would be like Noah falling, right? He fell, but he never fell off the boat. He always fell inside the boat. He never fell out. And that's something that no matter how many times we fail in our lives, we will always fall inside of Jesus' love if we have faith that he has that love for us.
Right.
That we can't fall out. That's good to know. Yeah. And hearing that with regards to the ark, just a new way to look at it, a new way to visualize it. So, all right, this is supposed to be my last unboxing. I don't know which order you're going to see it in. This probably will be the last Yeezy Day unboxing you're going to see.
Can we just pause for 1 second? What? Look at Bola. Look at the way she's sleeping on her hands. It's so cute.
But we've actually had this issue before, it was an issue before. I ordered some stuff from Confirmed. We made videos on it, and I don't even know if I've posted all these videos yet, if they've actually gone live. I know I have an Onyx Yeezy 350 video that's just been sitting around forever. Haven't had the right time to publish it. But multiple boxes came from Adidas, and I was like, I didn't order 2 shoes from Adidas. Did Adidas mess up and send me more than one? And I'm like, score? And it ended up that Hesper ordered Atticus some really cheap Adidas shoes from Amazon for him to play in, because he feels like he shouldn't wear, Well, his shoes aren't up here, but his nice shoes that I get him. He shouldn't wear them outside to play, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that she bought them, but there's this box sitting here from Adidas, and I didn't know where it came from. I said, Hesper, did you order from Adidas? No. So I'm like, man, maybe Adidas messed up. Well, I don't really think Adidas messed up, but there's an extra box here. It was addressed to Haley. Haley does have the Confirmed app, has gone for stuff. She doesn't know what she got. So
No idea.
Haley's gonna open that in a minute. We'll get that as
It better look good, and it better be in my size. 'Cause I don't think I did anything for your size.
Right, I think you normally go for your size. So
Yeah, 'cause I hope that I get it and keep it.
it's possible that she probably should be excited about it.
Yeah, I am. I'm shaking in my boots over here.
You will have already seen Haley and... No, not Haley, because she's going to see it right now. But you will also see Hesper's reaction to this video
this
at the beginning
my
of this
size?
video.
It looks like
Unfortunately,
it.
it's not. This is a Yeezy Boost 350 size 6. And...
Who did that?
There were a handful of 350s that released. There might be 1 or 2 350s that released that I didn't go for that I should have. Ultrasonic, maybe. It's like a really light, but like bright green. It's like a
That chartreuse?
yeah, but it's light. It's not like really bright and in your
Not
face.
like neon.
But
Like
it's
a
kind of glowy,
yeah.
but it's muted overall.
Okay.
I can't remember what it was.
Okay.
I feel like I should have gone for those because I like them. And somebody asked me the other day. Shika asked me the other day, do you have a 350 that you still wear? I got rid of my mono ices. I didn't really like those. I got rid of my lights. I probably shouldn't have gotten rid of those because I like those. And my blue tints are the wrong size. Haven't been able to find the right size to trade for. So I don't.
Are the lights the one that had pink on them?
Yeah, the ones that
I
change
love
colors.
those.
I did too. So
And
I
those
didn't love them,
brown
but I
ones.
liked
I like those
They
brown
were-
ones too.
them. That I never wore.
Yeah, I really like those.
But I didn't end up. I wasn't able to get my size. So this is the Yeezy Boost 350 size 6 turtle. You know what that is, Haley?
I would say brown and green.
No.
Okay.
So this shoe actually dropped twice on the Confirmed app on Yeezy Day. And just so happened, I had just gotten out of the shower at like 12:30 in the morning when...
In the morning?
12:30 in the morning, yes. 12:30 a.m.
Why are you up so late?
12:30? It's not that late.
Yeah, it's almost 1 in the morning.
Thank you. I mean, I'm not normally up quite that late, but I just happened. I was up that late, and I was a little bit too late getting out of the shower and seeing it. I was too late to get my size, but I was able to get this size. So Haley, before you look at this, since you don't know what this is, I'm going to tell you and for everybody else on YouTube what this is. This color of the Yeezy 350, not V2. It is a V1. All the other 350s we've got are V2s. Your 350s, your blue tints are V2.
Yeah.
Version 2.
Yeah.
These are version 1. This is...
Oh, so these are the cheaper looking ones?
These are... Yes. This is the first Yeezy 350 that ever was.
Oh, wow. So are they black?
In 2015, this was the first version of the 350. I think it was actually the second official Yeezy shoe to release, but it was the first Yeezy 350. So this was a
I know
big
what
deal.
they look like now.
These are hyped. They resell, like it was like $230 and they resell for like $400 this size.
Whoa. Yeah, we don't
This
need
is
to
a
keep
size
this
6.
one.
Haley, you're not going to be able to wear this.
I know.
Atticus saw this and he said he liked it when he saw it on TV before, on YouTube before we got them.
Boy, I
But,
can't see.
Yeah, Atticus ain't wearing these.
Oh, yeah, I don't like those.
Yeah, the
Those are ugly.
V1, I mean,
They
it
look
looks
cheap.
old. It looks
No, it
not-
just doesn't look right. Like,
old as in, like, not modern. It's
But-
got a different shape than the V2.
I feel like
got plenty of
I
boost.
generally don't have like really. I don't think I ever would care if I had a fake shoe or if I had a real shoe, like one of these kinds of shoes. But I think if I would spend that much money on a real one, I don't want it to look like that. Like that doesn't look real to me.
I think I would keep this if it was my... Maybe.
It just
No,
is
I
weird.
wouldn't.
It's the sole. It's the sole.
Yeezys don't mean anything to me, so for me to keep a shoe that I can make a whole bunch of money on, double my money on almost, I probably wouldn't do it. The sole feels a lot different, the outsole or out midsole, that feels a lot different than the V2.
Like I could
More
absolutely
plasticky,
find those
less-
at Walmart if what it looks like.
Okay, yeah, they look like a
Like
fake
just
one. Yeah,
like,
because
just-
just because it's not the right look and shape that you're used to.
right. It just looks like they tried so hard. So I would not spend my money on that.
I do kind of like this. This is like
I like
a
that
leather
green.
patch with the
See, I
Adidas
told you there's some green on it.
sign on. Oh, okay.
Oh, maybe that's black.
With
Oh, in the
Adidas,
camera, it definitely
it's
looks
kind of
green.
greenish. With the Adidas sign here, that's not on V2s. But this was just hyped because it's the first time that the very first 350 colorway has been re-released. So it's 7 years later, and they re-released the very first one, and I was able to get a pair. Isaac got a pair too. I think he got a pair of 10.5. So, but I'm sure he actually pre-sold it before like that day, which whatever. But it's got boost. Whenever I get a Yeezy, and now I make sure it has boost, because there was a 700 V2 I think that I got one time that didn't have boost. I'm like, I thought they all had boost, but it does. I mean, it's better than the knit runners, right?
Oh yeah, you're right. Ugh, those are so ugly.
This though,
they're like a nightmare.
It smells like just straight glue, like a fake Jordan.
Yeah.
Way too much glue. So these are cool. I'm glad that I got them. I'm glad I got to see them. I'm glad I got to have them here in the room. Speaking of the room, I don't know. I know I haven't named it yet because it is Wednesday. The 2,000 sub giveaway video entries close today. Haven't chosen the winner of my MVS or any of that yet. You're definitely going to see this video after Friday when we have the live. But it's nice to have it in this room. We've got a long list of suggestions for the room name.
Name my favorite one. Do you remember what it was?
The Studio.
The Studio.
That's
Whoever
one of my
came up
favorites.
with that, you're.
I have
number
another
one for
favorite,
me.
but it's not a name for the room. It's like I need to put like
sign, a LED glow sign.
No.
Oh.
I need to put a shelf up there
Mm-hmm.
and put a bunch of dunks on it. We call it the dunk bunk.
Sorry, I didn't mean to be quiet. Sorry.
I like it. So,
no, I think if you had a dunk bunk, it would just be like a bunker, but like with dunks in it. So I feel like a dunk bunk doesn't make sense.
But it's like a bunk bed, and the bunk is up top.
Oh no, that actually sounds good.
So this is like the dunk bunk here, kind of. This is the level of dunks.
I
This
can't
is
understand
all
why you
dunks
don't wear
on this
those.
row. This one?
Yes, I love those.
I
I love those
like them.
so
I
much.
do like them, but I just have so dunk. That's Hesper's dunk, but I got another one right here.
Man, I love dunks.
There might be another couple dunks in there somewhere, but not there. So, anyways, back to the Yeezy. Yeezy today was good to me. Might have been even better to me. We'll see once Haley opens this one. You'll see that video afterwards too. Anything else to say? But y'all don't forget Noah's Ark, and the Ark that protected Noah, that God really instructed him on how to put together and gave him very clear instructions on, is like our Jesus. That we have very clear instructions. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father through him. That's very clear. And what?
That was gonna be my Bible verse.
You said that one.
Well, I know it was just weird that you said it because I was just thinking about it.
That's actually the one I use when I talk about fake shoes.
Well, mine aren't
I'm
fake.
the way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through me. There's no other way. Luckily, with shoes and these sneakers, there are
Right.
another way.
I know.
You don't have to pay $1,400 for Travis Scott's. You can pay a whole lot less than that. Get a fake. Anyways, but I'm glad I got this. I'm glad I got to see it. It's a piece of history, a piece of sneaker history that I'm glad I got to have here. So I'm glad I got to share it with y'all too. Smash that like button.
Tell you, Grandma.
About the turtle doves. These are turtle doves.
You didn't even say that. You just said turtle.
I know, that's what it says on the side, but they're called turtle doves. And,
Well, that would have made a lot more sense than a turtle.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
Yes.
And tell your grandma, smash the like button. Tell me what you think about these down below. What do you think about Noah's Ark? Did I tell you anything you didn't really think about before or not? I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!